guys, this is to express my heartfelt thanks to OU classes, especially Pravesh sir and Rakhi ma'am, who have helped me a lot to complete my MA Economics from Ignou. They have provided me every type of support in the form of study material, last year questions, sample papers, important points and notes. And they were just a call away. I used to give them a call and they were ready to provide me each and every type of support. They have managed everything so efficiently and it has really helped me a lot. So once again, thank you to sir and ma'am for being there throughout. Thank you so much.